Hi, in this video the Legalraasta team will teach you all about the IEC code in India, its definition, features and registration process. Now, what is the meaning of Import-Export code and why is it required in India? IEC code is 10-digit code with permanent validity. IEC code is issued by the Directorate General of Foreign Trade, DGFT. All businesses engaged in import and export of goods are required to obtain Import-Export code for import or export of goods. IEC code has multiple features. IEC code does not require filling of any returns. IEC code is issued for the lifetime and requires no renewal. Even individuals who are proprietors can obtain the code in their names. In order to obtain an IEC code, you need to submit an application with DGFT along with the required documents. Once the application is approved, the IEC code will be allotted to you in the next 10 to 15 days. You will need the following documents to apply for the IEC. PAN card of individual, ID proof, residential proof, 2 passport size photograph. Also the following documents need to be attested before the submission. NOC, no objection certificate. Board resolutions in case of private limited company. You can either file the documents at the DGFT office in your respective territory or use Legalraasta services for filing the IEC. With Legalraasta you can file the IEC by filling a simple online form available online at our website. The package for IEC starts at Rs 2,999. Legalraasta.com is India's top destination for legal and company matters. We can help you in forming any type of business entity, example private limited company, LLP, filing individual and company return, helping companies for their compliances such as ROC filings and minutes, protecting work through trademark and copyright. We are a trusted partner with multiple top-level expertise and affiliation, and yet cost-effective. So log on now at legalraasta.com to get your IEC code registered or mail us at contact@legalraasta.com.